Ohayou gozaimasu! Welcome back to my vlog. My gosh, it's been a while, I know, grabe. So busy, pero as a small town girl, let's go to Tokyo. Here comes the train. Something na wala sa Pilipinas. Maayos na pila. Welcome to Harajuku. So this is Takeshita Street for the end time. At dahil medyo maaga pa, 11 pa ang bukas ng mga tindahan sa Omotesando, tayo ay mag-almusal muna. Since it's too early for sushi, let's go to McDonald's. So they are serving breakfast pa lang and I want to get this one. Pero 10:30 pa daw, so I have to wait ng mga 3 more minutes. So this is what we're having for breakfast. Nuggets, because why not? Ice caramel and the samurai burger. Alam mo dito sa Takeshita Street, malaking budol dito eh. Dahil lahat ng mga kawaii items, meron sila. Oh. This is one of the best crepe I've tried. Before merong angel crepes dito pero closed na siya. I'm not sure kung saan siya napunta. I went to New Balance store, yung pinakamalaki dyan in Harajuku, pero walang stocks ng mga 327. But guys, I tell you, 327 is the most comfiest shoes ever. Grabe, walang sakit sa paa. Bakit ang haba ng pila dito? Anong pinagkakaguluhan nila? This is a new building. I need to check something sa Longchamp mamaya. Longchamp. Pero now, let's go first to Swatch in Omotesando kasi may gusto akong bilhin na watch. So this is, pagdating sa unahan medyo ano pa, tawag dito, low-key pa yung mga store. Pero pagdating sa banda doon, ay, ang mga Hermes, LV, Chanel. I think Chanel is still under renovation. This is also a budol store for the baguettes. Like, ang daming toys inside. May favorite mall, Omotesando Hills. Favorite mall. SM lang naman ang favorite mo. May Son Margiela. Adidas is here. Sa loob niyan. And then, yeah, itong white na to, this is Chanel store. Pero right now, it's under renovation. I don't know kailan siya mag-open ulit. Hopefully before Christmas. And then, sa tabi ng Chanel is Dior. There. And then, sa tabi ng Dior, Fendi. Then, sa kabila, mga high-end cosmetics. There's Dior. Very festive. Ay, may paro-paro sa loob. Ay, ang cute ng aso. Oh, and then, this is Fendi. What else? Doon yung Saint Laurent, Celine, Gucci. Oh, yung pink ko, iba. And then here is the Swatch store. There. So Swatch secured. Let's now go to Longchamp. Ang init na naman today, pero okay lang kasi naka-t-shirt lang ako sa loob. And then with my leather jacket. Leather jacket ang ate. Let's take a stair. Mag-stairs na lang tayo. Patawid sa Longchamp. So 360. Oh, diba? Grabe yung mga puno. I think pag gabi umiilaw na sila. Yeah. If you are in Omotesando, you have to try the Ralph Cafe. Sobrang sarap ng hot chocolate nila, I swear. Na-try ko yung hot chocolate nila nung meron silang pop-up store in Ginza. Pero close na siya. Pero sobrang sarap. Even the cake, grabe. Look, it's so cute. O, diba? I want one. We are now in Longchamp. Oh, so colorful. And then, ito ang package ko dito. The left edge. So, I'm trying to get the Longchamp in large. This is the all black. And this is the classic black with brown handle. Pero I don't know which one to get. This one is navy. Also nice. But this one, I'm torn. Ito yung lahat ng color na available. This is the new color. I'm torn between the two black. This one, only one packet. I know. This one, only one packet. Ito lang. But this one, have two packets. Yung classic. So may small here and then there's a big packet here. But the gold hardware kasi. Tapos ito, plain, but this one have stitches ng Longchamp. So I think I'll go with the black. Huh? Or this one. Ano ba talaga? Iba din yung green. Pero, ay, grabe yung green, no? Or the paper. L size?
No size, L size.
This is also on my wish list. Perfect for hand carry. In fairness, pa silver balloon ng Longchamp. So, Longchamp bag is secured. Let's go now to Shibuya kasi kulang pa ako ng isang swatch na kailangan bilhin. Originally, the plan talaga is to get a Goyard St. Louis na tote bag. However, hindi ko ma-justify kasi yung shoulder strap niya sobrang ikli doon sa PM size. Pag GM naman ang kinuha ako, okay naman siya pero sobrang laki. Feeling ko kasya ang isang bata sa loob. Kaya medyo turn talaga ako. And then also, naisip ko, pag yun ang binili ko, alam mo yun, sobrang dapat maingat gumamit. Medyo marami tayong gala for 2024. So, kailangan ko nung something dependable, durable, na if ever masira man siya or mabutas, hindi masakit sa puso. Kaya I decided to go for Longchamp. And also, Longchamp is my very first designer bag. Barista pa lang ako naka-Longchamp tax. O, diba? Oh, this building used to be Bershka. And now it's Komeyo. And here is the swatch here in Shibuya. Let's go to Atmos kung may samba sila. So another swatch secured. And then there's GU. Shibuya. Let's go to Zara. And then let's go to LV after. I'm currently in LV and I'm trying to buy this one. A strap for my Speedy 20. The famous Starbucks in the Shibuya crossing is still under renovation. So wala pa siya. Let's cross the road Nakakainis yung mga music, makaka-copyright tayo nun. And of course, there is Hachiko. Yung bumuna ni Kuya. Let's go to Sogo, not hotel ha. This is Sogo Mall here in Chiba. So we're going to check lang din mga kung ano-ano man. Window shopping in short. Tsaka may Gio dito eh. Kasi dun sa Gio sa Shibuya, na-overwhelm ako sa dami ng floor. At least dito isang floor lang siya sama-sama. 3 o'clock pa lang pero medyo madilim na. Pag winter talaga sobrang haba ng gabi. Kaya minsan nakakatamad din rumampa kasi nga alam mo yun, 4 pa lang, dilim-dilim na. Hindi ko mahanap yung entrance ng mall na to, parang close. I don't know. There's the monorail. This one. I'm trying to go to this mall. Pero close yung entrance niya sa baba. So, dadaan ako sa Sogo Mall kasi meron siyang parang bridge. Pero hindi ko alam kung close ba siya or what eh. Kasi, ewan ko lang. Nandiyan pa naman yung GU. Nakiinom lang tayo ng tubig sa Chanel paglabas ko. At gabi na, nakakaloka. So, this is late lunch. I'm currently in Kura Sushi for some sushi trading. Dulong-dulo naman tayo dito. So, first salmon. Siyempre, ang tubig ng Chanel, sayang naman ang lalagyan. So, hanggang Pilipinas iuwi natin to. Grabe naman yung tiramisu. Napakaliit. Parang hindi pa tayo masolve dito ah. Bigyan natin ng chance yung tiramisu ng Kura. Grabe naman sa liit. Baka naman promising. It's a no for me. Mas masarap pa yung nabibili namin sa grocery.